The Apple iPhone 11 will be a great smartphone which will load with a lot of quality features. Today we show you concept, design and tell details specification of iPhone 11. If you want to know about it, please stay with us till the end of the video. Welcome to Easy Access Tech. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. iPhone 11 is coming in this year. Some trusted leaks confirm that iPhone 11 is more beautiful and powerful than previous iPhone. The Apple iPhone 11 gets a 5.8-inch screen, which has an OLED display having 1125 x 2436 pixels screen resolution. It results in a pixel density of 463 ppi. The Corning Gorilla Glass is present on the top of the screen that protects it from scratches. It will be powered by Apple A12 Bionic chipset and an Apple GPU. For multitasking, it will have 4 GB RAM. In the camera section, the smartphone is armed with a triple primary camera setup consisting of 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel lens with quad LED two-tone flash. At the front, there is a 12 megapixel true depth selfie camera with Retina Flash. Both the cameras can click excellent image and also can record quality videos. As operating system, it has iOS 13. The iPhone 11 has a wide range of connectivity options such as 4G with VoLTE, Wi-Fi mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS and NFC. For security, it has Smart Face ID system. Apple iPhone is powered by a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which is good enough to deliver a decent amount of backup. It is provided with a wireless charging and quick charging feature that makes the battery segment excellent. iPhone is expected to available in black, gold and silver color. It is expected to be $1,480 USD and expected to be launched on September 10, 2019. That's for now. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.